When comparing Clarifai versus Deep Vision AI for object detection, the goal is to figure out which tool can help you identify objects with the most accuracy and efficiency. Both of these AIs have their strengths, but there are important differences that could make one more suited to your specific needs. First, let's talk about Clarifai. It's been around for a while and has built a solid reputation in the AI space. Clarifai is known for its robust set of pre-trained models for object detection. Whether you're identifying people, animals, or products, it's fairly reliable. The user interface is straightforward, making it easy for beginners to jump in, but it also offers advanced features that more experienced users will appreciate. However, one downside of Clarifai is that, while it provides powerful custom training options, it can get pricey if you want to scale your usage. Additionally, its object detection model, while solid, isn't always as precise as what you get from more specialized competitors. It's more general purpose and lacks some fine-tuning options in terms of specific industries like retail or healthcare, where Deep Vision AI might have the upper hand. Next, let's take a look at Deep Vision AI. Unlike Clarifai, Deep Vision AI is more tailored for high-precision object detection, and it's particularly known for its focus on deep learning. The real standout here is its accuracy when dealing with complex images, especially when objects are obscured or in different orientations. It has some excellent capabilities when it comes to object tracking and can be customized to work with your specific dataset more effectively than Clarifai. But Deep Vision AI isn't perfect either. One issue is that it requires a bit more technical know-how. Its user interface can feel a bit more complex, so if you're looking for something simple and quick to use, this might be a barrier. Furthermore, Deep Vision AI doesn't offer as wide a range of pre-built models as Clarifai, which could slow you down if you're not willing to train your own models. The third thing to note is pricing. Clarifai's pricing is more transparent and offers a clear pay-as-you-go model, which is helpful for smaller businesses or personal projects. Deep Vision AI, on the other hand, operates on a subscription-based model, which can quickly become expensive if you need to process large amounts of data regularly. The fourth thing is scalability. Both platforms can scale well, but Clarifai's simplicity makes it easier for smaller projects to grow without too many complications. Deep Vision AI, with its advanced capabilities, may require more technical setup and maintenance, but once it's running, it can handle extremely large datasets and high throughput requirements, making it great for enterprise-level needs. Now, both tools do offer powerful features, but if you're specifically focused on object detection and want something that's easier to implement with fewer technical hurdles, Clarifai might be a better option. If, however, you're working on a high-end project where precision and customization are key, and you're ready to invest time in the setup, Deep Vision AI might be worth considering. That being said, after trying both tools myself, I found that neither one offered the perfect balance of user-friendliness and advanced features. But there's a competitor that takes the best elements from both while avoiding their major pitfalls. If you're serious about object detection and want a smoother experience with better results, you should check out the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. The software mentioned in this video is great, but if you want a better alternative that's optimized for your needs, go ahead and give that free trial a try.